Ryan Vantine. I'm the construction rep for Caltrans on the 71 job in Pomona. We are widening the freeway from 2 lanes in each direction to 4 lanes in each direction is our goal on this project. We're standing now in front of soil nail wall 131, where our contractor is doing shotcrete for lift 5 of 6 lifts for our soil nail wall. So we're at soil nail wall 131, which is a retaining wall. It's a 26-foot high design height. We have 6 lifts of soil nails. So previously, this was one undisturbed hillside. We have built a foundation pad. We built it up to the top of the wall. Our excavation are 4-foot lifts. So we did excavation for the first lift of the soil nail wall. Then Condon Johnson, our subcontractor, came in. They drilled the soil nails, they grouted the soil nails, they installed this wire mesh, and then we shot shotcrete. Once we did that, 3 days later, they came in, they did a pull test on our verification nails to make sure the material is behaving as we expected, and they have to meet certain allowable tolerances. If they exceed those tolerances, we require some remediation, but there's been no remediation required on this wall. So once we complete that, we begin the second lift, and we can construct this from top-down construction. And this is how they control the depth. So the thickness is supposed to be 4 inches. So they use this to tell them where they're at. So usually it's covered. If it's a little extended, it's fine, but they want to try and get up to that. So you can see here, it's covered.